Hi students, welcome to today's class. Today onwards I am going to explain all chapters I want to cover. So rapid revision it is. I hope that you are all preparing well for your examinations. Our target is to make a minimum out of 30 questions, 20 questions should be right. Minimum 20 questions should be right. That means 20 into 4, 80 marks you have to get, 80 plus marks you have to get. That is the main target and the main motto for dealing this class. So daily watch my videos. In these videos, I will explain 5 to 6 problems covering the important chapters. So these problems will be very useful for your JEE Mains examinations. Okay now, so let us, without wasting your valuable time, so let us see the first problem. So in the first problem, it is given that it was given in JEE 2020. So let us see this problem. A set A has m elements and set B has n elements. If the total number of subsets of A is 112 more than the total number of subsets of B, then the value of m into n is. So this is a numerical type of answer question. So let us see this. Solution. There are two sets are there, that is a set A and set B. Set A has m elements and set B has n elements. The number of subsets of A is 112 more than the number of subsets of B. What are the number of subsets of A? Subsets of A is, we know that 2 power m. So if A has m elements, then the number of subsets are 2 power m. So for here 2 power n. Then the relation between the number of subsets of A and B is the number of subsets of A is 112 more than the number of subsets of B. That means 2 power m is equal to 2 power n plus 112. Understand? Right. So now our aim is to find the value of m into n. See here, we got one and only one equation, but we want two values, m and n values. Okay, then how to get that m value, n value from this equation? Let us see this. So see here, 2 power m minus 2 power n is equal to 112. So can I first take a 112 can be written as a 16 into 7. This 16 can be written as a 2 power 4, this 7 is written as a 2 cube minus 1. Can I write it as a 16, 7 sir? 16 and 7, both are 16 and 7 sir. 16 means 2 to the power of 4, 7 means 2 cube minus 1, 2 cube 8, 8 minus 1. Therefore, you take a 2 power n common outside here, 2 power n common outside. Therefore, 2 to the power of m minus n minus 1. Understand? 2 power m minus n minus n. Right. 2 to the power of 4 is equal to 2 to the power of n. Therefore, n is equal to 4. 2 cube is equal to 2 power m minus n. Therefore, m minus n is equal to 3. m minus n is equal to 3, 2 power. Already m value we got, minus 4 is equal to 3. Therefore, m is equal to 7. Therefore, m into n is equal to 4 into 7, 28. 28 will be your final answer. See here, generally students up to where the students will approach, they will approach up to here, up to this step also they will write. From here, the students will start struggling how to get m value, n value. So this is the idea, to get m value and n value separately. Understand this? So I hope that you understand this solution. Let us go for next problem. Welcome to this problem. So if limit n tends to infinity, square root of n square minus n plus n alpha plus beta is equal to 0, then what is the value of 8 of alpha plus beta is equal to? So it is a very clear problem. The question is a very clear. N tends to infinity, so the limit of this function that is root of n square minus n plus n alpha plus beta as n tends to infinity is 0. Okay. Wherever n tends to infinity, always try to write down 1 by n tends to 0. We know that. So in this expression, try to get the quantity 1 by n or 1 by n square or 1 by n cube, whatever may be there. So that in place of 1 by n, we substitute 0. Now, how to get this 1 by n square values? Okay, so let us see this. Now here limit n tends to infinity, square root of n square minus of n plus 1 plus n alpha plus beta is equal to 0. So here I have taken minus. So this is a limit n tends to infinity. Take a n square common outside. So therefore root of n square, actually you have read down modulus of n, but as n tends to plus infinity, therefore modulus of n is equal to n. So this is equal to n root of 1 minus n plus 1 by n plus n alpha plus beta is equal to 0. So this is equal to n tends to infinity n into 1 minus n plus 1 by n whole power 1 by 2 plus n alpha plus beta is equal to 0. Square root means whole power 1 by 2. Let us find the expand this binomial. So limit n tends to infinity n into, so this expansion is a 1 minus 1 by 2 n plus 1 by n plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 factorial into n plus 1 by n whole square minus so on. These terms will be there, n alpha plus beta is equal to 0. So this is a 1 minus np plus n into n minus 1 by 2 factorial into n plus 1 by n whole square. Okay now. So we have taken n square common outside. So here we will get n square, here also n square, here also n square, here also n square you will get. So here up to here n square you have taken. 1 minus n plus 1 by n square will come. Okay now? Right. Now you multiply n inside up to here, you multiply up to here only for this n. So n is equal to up to here only. So therefore, limit n tends to infinity, n minus, see here, n by n square, 1n will be cancelled, that is a 1 by 2 into n plus 1 by n plus this is equal to 1 by 2 into this is a minus 1 by 2 by 2 into, so this is a n plus 1 by n square. So here n plus 1 by n square whole square will be there. So this is a n plus 1 by whole square, n to the power of 4. That means here you will get n plus 1 whole square by. So n to the power of 4, no, you will get n cube you will get, n cube you will get minus so on plus n alpha plus beta is equal to 0. Okay now, so if you see here, as n tends to infinity, we know that 1 by n tends to 0, 1 by n square also tends to 0. So if you see here, so here n will cancel here, okay. So here n will cancel, so 1 plus 1 by n value is 0. Okay, let us see this constant like here. So if you expand this n plus 2n plus 1, n by n cube, that is 1 by n square, 0. 2n by n cube, again denominator n square will become 0. 1 by n cube, so total this quantity will become 0. Here you will get minus 1 by 2 into n by n value 1 plus 0 you will get. Understand this? So ultimately what you get as a limit n tends to infinity, if you substitute here in these places, so you will get n minus this quantity will become 0. So up to here you can apply the limit for each and every term, you can apply the limit. Up to I applied for second term, this is the answer. Third term, this will be the answer. Okay now. So let us continue the solution. Okay, so we got this answer. Since between the terms, if it is a plus and minus are there, then you can apply the limit for each and every term like that. If it is a multiplication is there, you should be very careful while applying the limit for each and every function. If it is a multiplication and division is there. Okay now? Right. So this implies a limit n tends to infinity. This is a 1 plus alpha into n plus beta minus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. So the limit of this function, 1 plus n into n plus beta minus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. This is possible only when alpha is equal to minus 1 and the beta is equal to 1 by 2. If you substitute alpha plus minus 1, 1 minus 1, 0, 0 into n, 0. In place of beta, substitute 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2, 0 plus 0. Then only possible. Okay. Now is asked to find out 8 times alpha plus beta. That is 8 times minus 1 plus 1 by 2. 8 times, so this alpha value minus 1 by 2. So here minus 1 by 2. So this is equal to minus 4. Therefore, minus 4 will be the correct answer. Okay. I hope that you understand this solution. Let us move to next problem. Hi students, welcome to this problem. So here it is given that equation of the ellipse whose axis are the axis of the coordinate axis and which passes through minus 3 comma and which has the eccentricity root of 2 by 5. So here is saying that axis are the axis of the ellipse are the axis of the coordinates. That means x-axis, y-axis. So that means that either maybe this or maybe this. Your equation of this ellipse may be this. So let the equation of the ellipse be, so x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1 where a greater than b. Understand? Now how to find out a value, b value? So that is our aim. So for this first thing what is given, it passes through the point minus 3 comma 1. Therefore 9 by a square plus 1 by b square is equal to 1. Call it as equation number 1. Next one, it is given eccentricity is root of 2 by 5. So we know that b square is equal to a square into 1 minus e square. B square we don't know, a square we don't know, 1 minus e square means eccentricity root of 2 by 5, that is equal to 2 by 5. So this implies if you cross multiply 5b square is equal to 5 minus 2, 3a square. Call it as second equation. Now solve this first equation and second equation. So in place of anything you can keep, in place of first if you want to find out a square value, so in place of b square, put 3a square by 5. Okay, now. So this is a 9 by a square. 9 by a square plus 1 by b square means what? This is a 5 by 3a square is equal to 1. Okay, now. So the LCM is 3a square. So here 3a square is equal to, so this is a 27 plus 5. 32 is equal to 1. So from this a square is equal to, we have 32 by 3. So a square value we got 32 by 3. Now find out b square value. So b square value is equal to 3 by 5 a square. 3 by 5 a square. A square value is equal to how much? 32 by 5 we got. So 32 by 3. 32 by 3. 3 cancel. B square is equal to 32 by 5. Okay, now. So we know a square value and b square value. Let us substitute in this equation. So x square by a square. That means x square by a square means how much? 32 by 3. So this is equal to 32 3 minus plus b square. Y square into b square is equal to how much? 32 by 5. So that is equal to 32 by 5 is equal to 1. So the answer is 3x square plus 5y square minus 32. If you take a cross multiplication, it will do. Option D is the correct answer. Okay, now. So in the whole problem, so the one and only thing is you have to remember this formula. B square is equal to a square into 1 minus e square. Okay. So if you remember that the formula, the solution is a very, very easy problem. Okay. So I hope that you understand this solution. Let us go to next problem. Hi students, welcome to this problem. So is asked to find out the sum of the coefficients of all odd degree terms in the expansion of, see the expansion, x plus root of x cube minus 1 whole to the power of 5, x minus root of x cube minus 1 whole to the power of 5. So in this expansion, you will get 6 terms in this expansion. You will get 6 terms altogether. If you combine all together, you have to find out the sum of the coefficients, all odd degree terms. Odd degree means what? X degree should be odd number. Those coefficients you have to find out. You have to find out the sum also. Okay, na, right? So whenever if you see this problem, immediately you have to remember one formula. What is that formula? A plus b whole power n plus a minus b whole power n. A plus b whole power n plus a minus b whole power n is what? If it is a plus is there, so we will get 2 times nc0 a power n plus nc2. Understand? So here second term will be cancelled, nc1 term will be cancelled. So that means nc2 into a power n minus 2 into b square. Now nc4 into a power n minus 4 into b power 4, plus it will go on last ncn, that depends upon the n, either even or odd number. On the whole, what you will get? nc0, nc2, nc4, those terms you will get. So there also, this is a 2 times nc0. Sorry, here n means 5. 5c0 x to the power of 5 plus next one 5c2 x to the power of 5 minus 2, that is equal to 3 into square x cube minus 1 whole square plus next one 5c4, 5c0, 5c2, 5c4 last term. So that is equal to x to the power of, first term x to the power of 5 minus 4 1 and the square root of x square minus 1 whole to the power of 4. That's all. No 5c6 won't come. Now if you simplify this, let us see what happens. 2 times 5c0 x to the power of 5. So this is a 5c2 x cube into, so this is a x cube minus 1, square to cancel, x cube minus 1 plus this is equal to 5c4 into x into, this is equal to x square minus 1 whole square, x square minus 1 whole square will come. Understand? So see here, let us find the odd degree terms in this expansion. See, if you see here, here x to the power of 5, it is an odd degree term. So this is a odd degree term. This is a 2 into x to the power of 5, odd degree term. So degree of 5 is 5. Therefore 5c0. So this is equal to 5c0 plus, if you observe here, x cube into x cube, x to the power of 6, that is even number, x cube minus 1 minus x cube, that means it is an odd number, minus 5c2, minus 5c2. So observe here, in this expansion x into a minus b whole square, x power 6 minus 2x cube plus 1. Understand? A minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. So x into x power 6, that is an odd number. So that is equal to 515c4 will come. X into cube, x to the power of 4, even number, you won't take. X into 1, x, that is odd number, 15c4. So let us check it here, the answer. So this will be the final answer. Let us check here. So this is equal to 2 times 5c0. 5c0 means 1 minus 10 plus this is a 10. 1 second, you check here. So here x cube into x power 6 you will get even number. This is a minus 5c2. So here a minus b whole square will come, a square x cube whole square, a power m whole power n, 3 2s are 6 minus 2ab 2x cube plus b square. So if you multiply here, x into x power 7. So x power 7, it is an odd number, x cube, it is an odd number. So x power 1 into x, that is also an even number, that we don't want. So x into 1, x, that is equal to 5c4 you will get. Okay, now. So this is a minus 10. 5c4 value is how much? 5c4 and 5. So this is also 5, this also 5. So this you will get cancelled 2. Therefore option C is the correct answer. Okay. So I hope that you understand this solution. So let us move to next problem. Welcome to this problem. So here it is from mathematical induction it is given. So consider the statement P of n is n such that n square minus n plus 4 is a prime number. Then which of the following is true? So the statement P of 3 and P of 5 both are true. P of 3 is false, P of 5 is true. Both P of 3 and P of 5 false. P of 5 is false, P of 3 is true. First to find out what is P of 3 and P of 5. So it is given that P of n is a n square minus n plus 4. So therefore P of 3 is a 3 square minus 3 plus 4, that is a minus 9 plus 3. Okay, 9 plus 4. So 9, so 3 square minus 3 plus 4. 3 square 9. So 9 minus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10. 10 is not a prime number. 10 is not a prime number. So let us find out P of 5. That is a 5 square minus 5 plus 4. Okay, now 5 square 25 minus 5 plus 4. 25 minus 5. 25 minus 5 is equal to how much? 20. 20 plus 4, 24. 24 is also not a prime. Therefore, both the statement P of 3 is false and P of 5 is also false. Both the statements are false. Both P of 3 and false. So therefore option C is the correct answer. Okay. So I hope that you understand this solution. So very such type of easy problems are also given. Okay. So once check whether it is a n square is there or n cube is there. Okay. So if it is a n cube is there, then you can write it as for example if it is a n, I am doubt. So if it is a n cube minus n plus 4 is there. N cube means how much? 27. 27 minus 3 plus 4. So this is equal to how much? 27 minus 3 plus 4. So this is equal to how much? Here 28. Then it is also not a prime number. If it is a 5 means 125 minus 5 plus 4. So this is a 122. 122 is also not a prime number, like that. Okay, now so just you substitute and checking, that's all. Okay. So dear students, I hope that you enjoyed today's class with different type of problems from different chapters. Tomorrow also I will explain these problems. I hope that you are all preparing well for your examinations. So our target is to correct the answer 20 plus problems you have to answer. Okay, now so until then, all the best. Hi students, welcome to this problem. So this is for any theta belongs to pi by 4 comma pi by 2, that is 45 and 90, the expression, the whole expression is equal to a very easy problem. This is just you expand this, then you will get the answer. Okay, now so very easy problem. So this is equal to 3 times, see here, sin theta minus cos theta whole to the power of 4. That means we can write down sin theta minus cos theta whole square. So this we can write it as a whole square. Understand? So first one, sin theta minus cos theta whole square means how much? A minus b whole square. A square sin square theta plus cos square theta, that is equal to 1 minus 2 sin theta cos theta. Again 1 square is there. 6 means sin theta plus cos theta whole square, sin square theta plus cos square theta, that is a 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta plus 4 into, see here, so this we can write it as a whole sin square theta whole cube, 2 3s are 6. So this means sin square theta means 1 minus cos square theta whole cube is there. 1 minus cos square theta sin square theta whole power means 2 3s are 6, sin power 6 theta. Okay. Now hence again this is a 3 into a minus b whole square, a square plus 4 into sin square theta into cos square theta minus 4 times sin theta cos theta plus 6 times 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta plus 4 times, see here, a minus b whole cube. A minus b whole cube means what? A cube minus 3a square b, this is a cos square theta, plus 3a b square, that is a cos to the power of 4 theta minus b cube, that is equal to cos power 6 theta. Now you multiply this constant also. 3 plus 3 is 12 sin square theta, cos square theta minus 12 sin theta cos theta. Multiply 6 inside. So this is equal to 6 plus 12 sin theta cos theta. Multiply inside, that is a 4 minus 12 cos square theta, 12 cos power 4 theta minus 4 cos power 6 theta. Now see here, any more cancellations are there? So any more cancellations? Okay now. So we will do like this here, 3 plus 4 sin square theta cos square theta minus 12 sin theta. So here one cancellation is clearly there, minus 12 sin theta cos theta plus 12 sin theta cos theta. So one cancellation is there, and one more cancellation is, see here, so 3 plus 4 plus 6, okay, right. So one more cancellation is, let us see this cancellation, 12 sin square cos square theta, 12 minus 12 cos square theta plus. So here in this, so in this sin square theta, let us put 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta, what happens? 12 into 1 plus 12 cos square theta, this is a minus 12 cos square theta. This is a minus 12 cos square theta, cos power 4 theta. Minus 12 cos 4 theta plus cos 4 theta will cancel. Ultimate what remains? 3 plus 6 plus 4 minus 4 into cos power 6 theta. 3 plus 6 for 13. 13 minus 4 cos power 6 theta. Therefore, option B will be the correct answer. Okay now. So I hope that you enjoyed today's class, and with some more problems in tomorrow's class, I will stand before you. So until then, all the best.